Here we have an LED light. It's a rechargeable LED, but it's not working. When I insert charger cable, the charger LED glows. That means the charging system is good. Then if I turn on, it glows little bit. I think the battery is bad. Let's open this thing and see what's the problem. Oh, it's a big problem for me because it has the lead acid battery and I don't have any. I only have lithium battery, so I need to replace the whole system. The battery is completely empty. So here is a lithium battery, 3.7 volt lithium battery, and we're checking our LEDs. Yes, they're completely good. Let's remove this charging unit. Everything removed. Okay, now I will install a Type-C port and a push button in here. Okay, our Type-C cable is ready and I will insert it here. I have to make this hole bigger. Nice. USB port is installed. It's installed like this, and I'll put some glue for fill this gap. Now it's time to install this switch in here. Here is the switch, and here is the Type-C port. The switch will go in here. The port will be in here. Nice. Charging port with on-off switch is ready. I use hot glue for attach them. But one problem happened on accident. Accidentally, I dropped a blob of hot glue in here, and you can see what happened. No problem. I will use this board for charging the battery and LED brightness control. Let's connect everything. First, we have to remove this port. Then the switch. And now the LEDs. Check which one is positive and which one is negative. This one is body, this one is connected to the body, so this one is negative and this one is positive. Green one is positive input, so it will go to the positive. Nice. It doesn't look good. I think it needs some soldering paste. A soldering paste makes our solder beautiful. Here is the switch. Switch is connected. Now we have to connect our LEDs. Red LED connected and both LEDs are connected. LED positive, LED negative. Battery positive, battery negative. Everything is connected and working fine. And now we have to assemble it. Now assembling time. This is the USB port and switch, and this is the indicator LED. Okay, here is our battery and the controller board. Attached this board with both side tab, and we have to use some hot glue for our battery. Hot glue. I think it's enough. And now the back cover. Screw the back cover. Everything is nicely installed except on accident. 3-step brightness control and LED. Red LED is glowing, okay, but orange one is not glowing, so we have to open it again and see what's the problem. LED is gone. Our LED replacement is complete. Now it's green when light on. Screw it again. Red LED blinking when it in charge. green highlighter. Nice. Thank you. Please like, share and comment this video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.